Hello everyone, we're gonna start with this Christmas ornament ball that I have from the Dollar Tree, and we have these little Christmas things here. I forget the name of it, OMG. Anyways, we are going to stuff it inside our Christmas ball. And here we all are done. So now we're going to use these stickers that I got from Walmart, and they're very nice, this little bling wrap here. And we're just going to wrap it around our Christmas ball. And next we're going to add these gems that I got from Dollarama. But you can get these small gems at Walmart also. And now for our second Christmas ball, we'll be using the shiny silver one from the Dollar Tree. And again, we're just going to shove it inside the ball. And now we're going to be using the blue gems, going right around our ball this time. And now I'm also adding some of the white gems. Now for our third Christmas ball, I'll be adding some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And now we'll be adding some gems going down our ball. And these are the items we'll be using for our next two DIY. Okay, I got these from the Dollar Tree. They're more shaped, I guess like a mason jar probably. Yeah, they're really cute. And you hang them on the Christmas tree. So we are going to decorate them with these fillers and some Mod Podge. And I'll be putting it on the inside of the jar. So after I put the little fillers inside, I'm shaking it up so it can fill all over, and then we just empty it out. And now our jar is all dry, so now we are going to add some of our bling gems going around our jar. So now I decided to add some glitter on the inside of our jar. I'm not sure if it's going to show much, but I'm going to give it a try. So I'm putting the Mod Podge in there, and then I'll put the glitter, shake it around, and then let it dry. And here it is. It doesn't look too bad. And for our next jar ornament, I'll be using this ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree. I got this one in the wedding section, or bridal section, if you want to call it. So we're just going to glue some going around the center. Now we're going to use these gems and decorate our Christmas ornament. And here's our finished look. I think they turned out very nice. 5 lovely Christmas ornament decor for your tree this year. And this one is not showing very good on camera, but the glitter is showing through it and it looks very nice. I like this one here. I think they all look very nice. Nice and shiny with the gems. And our gems over here. Nice, easy, and fun Christmas ornaments using items from the Dollar Tree and Walmart and Totally Dazzled. Yes. Lovely items that you can have on your tree and feel proud that you made them yourself. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite Christmas ornament that we DIY'd today for the 2019 Christmas season. And thank you once again for coming on and seeing my DIY today. And if you haven't, press that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.